Hey guys, coming to you from Long Radio, West Springfield and Hadley, Massachusetts, the Toys for Your Car people. Hey, I wanted to do a quick video on this new Alpine iLX-F309 Halo 9-inch. If you have not seen this, you got to stop in, take a look at it. It's an awesome unit. So this is a 9-inch capacitive touch display. What's great about this is it will fit into any standard radio opening. No special kits needed. It's actually reasonably priced. What happens is this goes in a standard dash, and this is a separate display. You see this a lot on cars nowadays, from Mercedes to Mazda. They have a separate display that comes up out of the dash. That's what this is. The chassis mounts in the dash, and you have this display that comes out. What's great about it is this can be adjusted in an infinite amount of ways. You can have it tilt up, tilt down. It can go up and down this way. So it gives you a lot of installation possibilities in just about any car out there. Great piece. This unit is a Android Auto and a Apple Carplay unit. It also will do all your standard AM/FM radio, Sirius satellite radio, Pandora control, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth hands-free. It has HDMI input if you want to get into doing some stuff with that. This also, on this particular install, and what most people do, they'll do what's called a Maestro Interface. That's what we're doing here. What this does is ties into the car's computer. So on this vehicle right now, we have our temperature right over here, and we have fuel level. You got your tachometer, and it also does miles per hour. Let's throw it in drive real quick here. Backup camera on this vehicle also. Now with the Maestro interface on this vehicle, you can see here it does some gauges, does a couple other things. You have some car settings that you can set. You can actually move the gauges around if you want miles per hour here, tach here, over there, you can do that. On some vehicles, you can tie into the HVAC system. You can do tire pressure monitoring. You can read check engine codes, different things like that. That's all dependent on the vehicle. We can certainly, if you give us a call, we can go over that stuff with you. No problem at all. Also with the Maestro interface, we can tie into the steering wheel controls. So this right here, can adjust volume up and down, change stations, Siri control. Siri, call Long Radio.
Should I call Long Radio, incorporated near Russell Street?
Yes.
Calling Long Radio, incorporated.
So this is Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay, let's go back. Apple CarPlay will allow us to access many of the things that you're used to using on Apple. You can have it read your messages back to you.
Would you like to hear your unread messages or create a new one?
You can obviously send messages if you'd like. Phone book. You can bring up your music, podcast, audiobooks. Like I said earlier, you can do Pandora. If you have Amazon Music, there's an icon will come up and have Amazon Music, Sirius XM Music, Pandora icon. Those will all come right up on this screen, and you can access all of that stuff. Super intuitive unit, fast processor, great picture quality, very reasonably priced for everything that you get with this, with a 9-inch display. Nothing else on the market even comes close to this. There's nothing else available. Alpine is the only one that does this. Stop in. We have them on display at our West Springfield store and our Hadley store. You can plug your phone in, play around with it. We can price it out to install it into your vehicle. You'll absolutely love this piece. It works great and it looks phenomenal. And it just is a great unit to use. So stop in. Long Radio, West Springfield, Hadley, Massachusetts. The toys for your car people.